How to share Copilot conversations. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are wondering how to share a conversation with someone else in Microsoft Copilot, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Microsoft Copilot application on your device and log in, or you may also visit it on a web browser and sign in. After opening up the Copilot application and signing in, go ahead and find the conversation you want to share. And once you find the conversation you want to share, go to the bottom of the conversation and tap on this little share icon. Now, it'll preview your conversation. Click share once again at the bottom. And now, Copilot will generate a shareable link for the conversation. Tap on the copy button right next to the link. Once you've copied that, paste the link to an email, message, or any other app to share it with people you want. So before sending the link, make sure to review the conversation and make sure it doesn't contain any personal or sensitive information you don't want others to see. So right there, you have successfully shared a conversation to any of your contacts made with Microsoft Copilot. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.